Hi, and welcome to APA Fun Facts with Courtney. If you're writing a paper and need quick APA tutorials, then you've come to the right place. Please consider subscribing so that I can guide you through some of the APA style guide. Today we are talking about heading levels, so let me show you how that works in APA 7th. Okay, so in APA, we don't need to say introduction. Now again, if your professor wants you to say introduction, then you could go ahead and write that down. But APA doesn't need you to write introduction on your introduction, it's just assumed. I think part of that is because people were having a hard time with stacked headings. Your title page or your title doesn't count as a heading. So your very first heading within your text is going to be heading level 1. Okay, so heading level 1 is going to be centered and bold, and you're going to use title key. So here we're going to write our literature review, and that is going to be heading level 1. And then you start your text on the next line, flush left, and then indent. You'll add your text for the paragraph that you're writing. Okay, so for heading level 2, you're going to make it flush left, title case, bold, and you start your text underneath. So the only difference between 1 and 2 is that you are putting it flush left instead of centered. Okay, heading level 3 is going to be flush left. It's basically heading level 2 but italicized. So flush left, title case, and then you're going to italicize it. And start your text underneath. Okay, heading level 4 is going to be indented, and you're going to make it title case, bold, and then instead of starting your text underneath, you're going to add a period and start your text right after it. So your text isn't going to be bolded, but the heading is. And then the final heading is heading level 5. This is the same as heading level 4, except you're going to italicize it. So indent, title case, bold, italicize, put a period after it and start your text right away. It's rare in a standard paper that you would get to heading level 5. You're probably going to stick with heading level 1, maybe heading level 2, unless you're writing a dissertation or a thesis or something like that. For the everyday student in an undergraduate course, probably heading level 1 and 2 are going to be enough for you, but just putting it out here so you have it. And then when you're done that section and you need to go back to a brand new section, then you would go back to heading level 1, which is centered bold. You can see what it looks like all together here. So I'm just going to number these so that you can see what they are and see how the headings work. And then take those out so you can have a look. Well, thank you so much for watching to the end. If you have an APA question, please leave it below in the comments and I will get back to you. Good luck writing those papers. Bye.